Today, we're diving into the delightful honey sesame chicken from Nine Dragons restaurant located in Disney's World Showcase. In a bowl, combine quarter-pound boneless skinless chicken and half-cup water. Dash of white pepper. It has a slightly different flavor than black pepper, a bit more earthy and less pungent. Salt to taste, start with 1/8 teaspoon. You can always add more, but it's harder to take it away. 2 teaspoons sesame oil for a nutty and slightly toasted flavor that can really enhance the dish. Sugar to taste, start 1/8 teaspoon. It's a great way to balance the flavors in your dish. Half cup of cooking wine. Mix and marinate for at least 30 minutes for a good starting point, but you can marinate for up to 24 hours for even more flavor. Prepare batter in another bowl. Add a quarter cup all-purpose flour, quarter cup cornstarch to create a light and crispy coating on the chicken. 1 heaping tablespoon baking powder to give the chicken a light and fluffy texture. Mix the dry ingredients until well combined. 1 egg white to help to bind the ingredients together and add a bit of richness. 2 3/4 water help to bring all the batter ingredients together. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to add some richness and flavor to your batter. Pinch of salt can go a long way in enhancing the overall flavor. Stir until smooth. Coating the chicken in the batter is the next step to getting that delicious crispy exterior. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Now let's make the honey sesame sauce by adding 3 tablespoons honey in a bowl, quarter cup sugar, 2 tablespoons ketchup to add a bit of tanginess and sweetness, 1 tablespoon white vinegar to help balance out the sweetness from the honey and sugar, pinch of salt to enhance all the other flavors in your sauce. Mix until well combined. Add the sauce to a small pan and heat until the sugar dissolves and the sauce thickens slightly, stirring continuously. Drizzle the honey sauce over the crispy chicken before serving. Garnish with green onions. Ready to eat. Enjoy. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family. Please comment if there are any Disney recipes you would like us to recreate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to help us continue sharing delicious Disney recipes. Until next time, happy eating!